Can you figure out the answer to this problem? Which of these two fractions are greater, 5/8 or 3/5? Now for the answer. In order for us to compare these fractions, first we need to rewrite them with a common denominator. To do this, we're going to multiply our denominators to get a common denominator. When we multiply 8 times 5, we get 40, so down below we're going to rewrite these fractions with the common denominator of 40. We have to keep these fractions equivalent, meaning we have to do the same thing to our numerator up top that we did to our denominator in order to get the denominator of 40. For the first fraction, we had to multiply 8 times 5 in order to get 40, so we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. 5 times 5 gives us 25, and then for our second fraction, we had to multiply our denominator of 5 by 8 in order to get 40, so we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. And when we multiply 3 times 8, we get 24. Now we can compare the numerators. 25 is obviously greater than 24, so 5/8 is greater than 3/5. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.